Good morning guys, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Only just woke up. It's a really horrible day today. It's Wednesday, so it's sort of midweek now already, near the weekend again already. How are you guys doing today? What are your plans? What you've been doing all this week? Let me know in the comments what you've been doing. Just about to get ready right now. It's currently about 8:30. I need to get my book to work, so I'm going to just get ready guys. So what I'll do is I'll see you after work guys, about 3:30ish. I've got football again later on because my mate asked to play it again today. Enjoy your day guys, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you after I've finished. Let's go. How did you get? Where did you guys come from? Where did you guys come out from the shoe? Out of the shoe? How did you come out of the shoe, guys? That is so weird. How did you get there? You stink now, guys. You smell. You guys don't smell in general. These football boots absolutely stink. So now my camera stinks. So basically, guys, you smell. You smell. Anyway, I've just. Oh, I can't see myself. There, that's better. I've just finished work right now, which is good news. It's 3:10, so I've just finished. Get all my football kit ready because I'm about to go to Best in a minute. Chill there for a bit, then go football. So I've got a few ideas planned for you today. What I'll do now, explain to you what I've got. I brought this little fake phone, and as you see, it's got a torch on it and a laser on it, as you can see right now. Yeah, so I don't want to touch it. This bit right here is the shocker. So basically, it's sort of like a shock phone pretend thing, and it does work. Cause I tried it yesterday and it bloody killed. So what I'm gonna do today, I did try Charlie, my cat, on the laser, but because he's 15 years old, he is way past playing right now. So I texted Bess, let me bring this to her house, see if Tilly, her cat, will play with it. And she said that she's not too sure, but Tilly's younger than Charlie, so I hope Tilly plays with it. If not, then it would fail. But what I'm going to do later when I get back from football is get my dad to pretend I've got a new phone, which is this. I'm going to say to my dad, I've got a new iPhone, Dad. When I look at it, what I'm going to do then is ask him to play, like touch the button in here to like turn the phone on, and hopefully it shocks him. I'm going to try right now just to see if it still works, because apparently it doesn't work after about 3 times. I don't have a clue why. So I'm going to press it right now. No, it didn't work. I didn't really press it, man. I'm a wimp, guys. I am a wimp. So that's what I'm going to do is take this out with me today. Try and get Tilly to play with it. Kaden, I got a new phone today, mate. Have a look at it.
Is it an iPhone? What is it?
Press that button in a second.
Okay. Shall I?
Yeah.
An iPhone.
Press it again. And again. One more. Right in. Hold it in a sec. Ah! Did it work?
No.
Ah, you bloody hell! Use your thumb. Use your thumb.
It got you, didn't it?
Use your thumb, Kaden.
Why?
Use your thumb.
What does it do?
Use your thumb on that. It does work. It does work.
What was it?
Oh, the electric shock, mate. I didn't actually know it.
No.
That actually hurt. Huh? That actually hurt. So do it again.
Hurts. No way. That hurts. There's a laser shot.
It does. Mum, you press it.
No.
Please, press it, please. Press it, please.
No. How
do you use it?
Wait till it gets in there. Wait. How do you use this? Jake's new phone. How do you use it?
It's a new phone. Yeah, it's his new phone.
Press the button with your thumb. With your thumb. It's an electric shock one. It doesn't work. When you hold that button in with your thumb, it electric shocks you.
It got me as well, didn't it?
No, didn't work with your finger.
I'm not sure. Try with your finger. Try with your finger. I'm not sure.
No,
if it
I
does.
already done it.
Yeah, does it hurt me as well? It does hurt, doesn't it?
iPhone.
Okay, press that laser a second. See if try to go with the laser. Because he tried it earlier, but it didn't. Look at his face. He's like, what the hell is going on? I am so pleased. That actually worked. I didn't actually know it was going to work, but you have to use your thumb and not your finger. My finger yesterday, it didn't actually hurt. But like when I put it on my thumb today, it actually killed. It does hurt actually. So I mum last night to press it, see if it worked. And she used her thumb, her finger, and it didn't actually work. So like she got away with it then. But like when you use your thumb, it actually works. And it actually, that gave me a bloody arm ache. That did give me arm ache. So I'm just gonna try and trick Beth as well, see if she gets it. Come on to there.
You're recording, yeah.
Yes, I'm recording. Oh no, she's looking at it. It's a bit dark in it.
Put the light on.
It actually works. I knew it would ever till, I knew it.
Don't get my gappy toes in.
No, mate, I knew it would ever till. Look at the face. Oh, it's got an itch. It's like, I know it again, babe.
Hang on.
Right to the camera, see if she bumps into it. Tilly! See, it comes up to... That is so funny. That's so funny. It actually works for Tilly. That is so funny. Look at that again, babe. Like... That is so funny. Couldn't it again? You think? That is so funny. Go till you get it. Oh, can't get to it, can she? She's too old, but she's still playing. Better than Charlie, that's for sure. Do I know again? Oh no! Get me, Tilly! Do it on that thing again. Oh. Oh! She went fast! I love this. Look at that. It's so funny.
She doesn't understand how it's on her phone.
No, it's not. No, she doesn't. I mean, it's so funny. I knew it worked for Tilly, but that's all. I just knew it would work for her. She's confused. She's confused. Doing that again. That's funny. We are just sitting down watching The Good Doctor. So it's about a doctor who's got autism and he just like literally knows everything. It's good, pretty good. It's currently 6:15. I've got another 2 hours yet until I leave for the football. So just relaxing right now before the football to rest my legs for the football. That makes sense. Right guys, just annoyed the football right now, so I'll get a few time lapses in for you when I'm on the way there. I'm on my own today. Bess left me because she's got to work early, about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, so she's staying at home because it's 8:30 kick-off, 8:30, so it's quite a late one guys, so I'll catch you when I'm there, and let's hope we get a win guys, let's go!
Jake.
Jake, simple passes, mate. Come on. Let's not make it easy for him.
Got that on film.
Stand, Jake, stand. Well done, well done. Have a shoot. Go on.
Oh. Get your foot round it, man.
Right, this Friday, Dejan. Not this Friday. You know,
Tight wrists, tight wrists, good lad.
I heard when I was on the pitch for DJ, mate, absolutely.
Oh,
Too easy.
that was easy.
Yeah.
Mate, it was a joke. Yes,
Well
it
done,
all.
Jake, well done, well done. Strong.
Hit it.
There's no pass on, is there?
Lucky Martin.
Big it behind you.
How many people are drawing, are you?
Yeah.
Go on, chase it, Tandy.
On, Alex. Good play, but I said,
Go in.
come on, lad.
You're behind it. Everybody's sitting at the back.
Keith, watch it, man, that's it.
Stay back, get good. Ball, that's it. Watch the shoulder.
That's better. Well done. He's done it. Go on, hit it.
Lucky Martin.
He's look a bit keener than that.
I am back home, guys. I just need to get back in the car because I forgot my boots in the car. So please be aware. Please be aware. We lost 15-1. That's right. 15-1, guys. So my legs right now are absolutely killing because all I've been doing all game was chasing the ball around. So yeah, we got hammered. We got hammered. What was the score, Dad? 15-1, was it?
More than that, wasn't it?
Huh?
More than that.
More than that, I hope not. It's either 15-1, 16-1 or 17-1. So
17-1.
17-1, you reckon?
Something like that.
17-1. That's what we think now, 17-1. We got destroyed, man. What I am going to do right now is I've got this drink right here up on the black currant. I'm going to fill it up, this bottle, watch Carnegie Street with this. Oh, my hair's all over the place. Look at this greasy hair, man. Ignore that. Yeah, we'll sit down and watch Corrie with this drink because it's quite cold from out the fridge, and then I can relax and go to sleep. So I'll end the vlog upstairs in a second. In bed right now. So right, guys, I'm going to end today's vlog right here because I am tired, my legs hurt, and it's currently 10 to 11, so I'm going to bed right now. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, guys, we absolutely terrorised the cat with that laser. She absolutely loved it. So if you enjoyed it, guys, give it a massive thumbs up, and I will see you Saturday. I've got something planned for you on Saturday, so look forward to it. Stay positive, keep your head held high, keep pushing forward, and it's cold because I'm literally naked right now, so go in bed. Good night, guys. Bye. Take care of myself tomorrow. There's a really night.